Did you know that mosquitoes are the deadliest insect on Earth? They kill more than 800,000 humans each year by transmitting diseases like malaria, dengue, West Nile, and Zika. Also, did you know that only female mosquitoes drink blood? Without bees, people of the world would not have enough fruits and vegetables to eat. A study showed that quality, seed production, and other qualities increase when the bees are present. Hence, it is important to conserve bees' habitats to protect our food supply. Some architects have studied termite mounds and beehives to gain insight into structural and design elements incorporated into buildings for